to Rhode Island School of Design, and after graduating, I worked in the set industry here in New York City. And so I started that building vessels larger out of using 1/4-inch thick plywood because I had access to the materials. I had access to a shop. I didn't have a lot of financial resources. The first thing I have to do is make it all consistently the same size. And that takes a long process as well. And then once I've made it the same size, I make them into little blocks. I will have a full-scale drawing of what I want the piece to look like, whether it be a vessel, whether it be a lamp. Variety of handheld tools such as a grinder with a coarse wheel on it, then sculpt the outside of it to have the finished honed surface. This is built very similar profile-wise, exactly the way I want it to be. So all I'm doing is just removing the faceted outside, the glue squeeze out, getting that shape honed down to something smooth. If you cut this in half, this dimple would be mirror image inside. There was something that I learned when I was going to school. George Nakashima particularly inspired, like, every tree has a soul. There is inherent beauty in all of those, what some people would call defects, whether it be a knot, whether it be a split, things like that, that it becomes more complicated to use.